Hello guys and welcome to the channel Tech Tab. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install WinGet in Windows 10. So for those of you who have used Linux, they know about the package manager. So WinGet is the package manager which is developed by Microsoft for Windows. So for now Windows 10 don't already install it. So to install you have to go to this link, which I will leave in the description. Open the link and here scroll down and select the app X bundle. So now just click on it and download. After download, open and install or update. So to open WinGet, go to search and type cmd command prompt and run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Here type WinGet install. Here you will see all the files which you can install using WinGet. So I'm going to select one randomly for this video, and so I'm going to use this. You can also copy the name or you can type it. So now I'm going to use command WinGet install and paste the name, or you can also type it and press enter. Give it a minute. It will download and install. So to check, go to start and type Notepad++, and here you can see that Notepad++ is successfully installed. You can also install other apps just by using this command WinGet install and typing that name from this list. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.